Hi, I'm Stacey. You have probably already heard that the GMAT is moving online, and I'm mostly excited because I'm glad that we can get in there to take the exam again, although there are some weirdnesses to this exam that we need to talk about. First of all, this thing will be available from April 20th to June 15th at least. It could get extended. There are some really good things about this. The current normal price in the US is $275, and they're dropping it to $200, so that's fantastic. They're also dropping the essay section. So you just don't have to write it at all. That's great. We still will do the quant, verbal, and integrated reasoning sections exactly the way that we always do them: time limits, number of problems, and score. We will all do the second test order. So that's quant, then verbal, then integrated reasoning. We will only get one break between the verbal and integrated reasoning sections. So that's a little weird. I know why they're doing it. It's a security thing. They want to make sure that there are zero chances for people to steal quant and verbal test questions, since those are the two most important sections of the exam. So I get it. It's a little annoying, but I get it. The way the exam is going to work is that you're going to log in at the appointed time. A proctor is going to take control of your machine. You'll give them control. They'll shut everything down except for the test. They will video and audio record you the entire time. And that's to make sure, again, it's security, to make sure nobody's sneaking into the room and feeding you answers or something like that. A couple of questions I've been getting from people: are schools going to accept this? Are they going to discount people taking this exam online? From everything we've been hearing from schools, they want this to happen. Many of them are going through application season right now for programs that are starting this summer or in the fall, and they need people to be able to take this exam so that they can close out their applications. So we're not expecting any issues. The schools actually want this to be happening. So you may have already heard people talking about this online whiteboard thing. They're not going to let us do our scratch work just on paper the way we'd normally do, but we have to do it on an online whiteboard. And when I first heard that, I was like, no, no, I'm terrible with technology. That sounds like a terrible idea. Our tech team, they heard about this and they dove in and they built the tool. They basically recreated the tool so that I can practice, and so that you can practice too. We're actually making this available to everybody for free so that everybody has something to practice with before they get in there for the real test. So I'm really excited about that. And then the next question is, okay, so should I take it? Like, should I do it in this form or should I wait until it's back in the testing center? There are going to be considerations that will make some people go one way and some people go the other. Certainly if you are planning to apply before June 15th, you're probably going to need to take it in this format. If you're not planning to apply until after that, then you have a choice as to whether you wait. I'm actually going in to take the exam on April 20th, the first day that it's available. So I will let you know what I think after it's over. We will have more information for you as soon as we get in there and take it, and we'll let you know the best ways to use this thing to maximize your performance on this exam. So go practice. Good luck, happy studying, and talk to you soon.